Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce background noise in vocal tracks using Reaper, a digital audio workstation. Let's get started. So if you're a podcast hobbyist like me, you probably do your best to record in a quiet space with soft surfaces. Being mindful like this makes a huge difference, but ultimately when you record in a non-studio environment, you're going to pick up some background noise that you'd rather not have. Luckily, if you're using Reaper, you can make up for this in post-edit. I'm starting here with a podcast session that I've already recorded. There are 2 tracks, each captured with a different microphone model. At some point while you're recording, you'll want to capture a sample of the room noise from each of the microphones that you're using. I captured mine here at the start of these tracks. The idea is to record the room noise only. This will allow you to build a sound profile that you'd like to remove from the whole track. Look at the waveform for any spikes and listen back to the recording as well to check for any random sounds that shouldn't be part of your profile. See these sounds right here? I definitely want to avoid those. Once you have a sample all lined up, solo out the track you want to start with and go to the FX for the track. This smaller FX window will open where effects can be added to the track. Select Refer from the list of plugins. While the title doesn't seem too obvious, this effect can be used to build our noise reduction filter. To configure it, set the mode to subtract and click the box next to Automatically Build Noise Profile. Now move the FX window so that you can see your track. You're going to play 5 to 10 seconds of the noise sample you created, trying to avoid any clicks and pops. That red line moving in the FX box is your noise profile building. Once you've played enough of the sample, uncheck the box next to Automatically Build Profile. If you don't uncheck that box, you'll lose your profile when you start playing another part of the track. I learned from experience. So now at this point, you've successfully created a noise reduction effect. Let's give it a listen. Hey, welcome to the show. In this episode, we're talking about phone apps that help you to unplug. And for comparison's sake, here it is without noise reduction applied. Hey, welcome to the show. In this episode, we're talking about phone apps that help you to unplug. There you have it. Over the course of a full podcast, that first one with noise reduction is going to sound a lot cleaner. Now, it's time to try it on one of your projects.